come true. All right, everyone. Please welcome your valedictorian, Jane Swearingen, for the class of 2024. Oh no.
School is a place where teachers teach and learners learn. Organic plants. That's how we'll start this journey. We're just little green guys, but now we're ripe for graduation. Whole milk, yummy to me. Some people obsess their tummy. Then that kind of makes it so different, which is pretty, which is beautiful. Some of us are like grapes. Nice and sweet and round, and some of us are more like just supposed shaving razors. You don't need them very often, but they're there for you in a pinch, or if you take them on vacation. But this year, for all of us, has been like toilet paper. Senior year, the proverbial last roll, and we're in our final squares. And now it's time for us to go out on our own rules like job rules. Yeah, that rules. I want you all to look around. What do you see? I see a beautiful graduating carton of eggs. Not the ones you find in the store, but the one you find under the chicken. But we've been nurtured well, and now it's time for us to hatch. To break out of our own shell. And this may not be easy. We may experience hardships and trials, and at all times we may feel like salt and vinegar or barbecue if we don't have it. But we need to remember who we are. We are hot dogs. We're hot dogs.